A luxury 7-day cruise through the Caribbean, all-inclusive. Is it really worth the cost? Today I'll break down the highlights, a few things to know, and why this might just be your dream vacation. From the moment you step onto the Enchanted Princess, it's clear, this isn't your average cruise ship. The lobby is stunning, the service feels 5-star, and everything is designed to help you unwind instantly. Here's what truly stands out. The food. Even the included meals feel upscale. Entertainment. Broadway-style shows every night, no extra charge. Movies under the stars, blankets, popcorn, and ocean breeze. MedallionClass technology. Your cabin unlocks automatically. You can order food anywhere on the ship, and crew members can locate you for service. There are a few things to know before you book. The main pool can get crowded on sea days. But if you're looking for a peaceful retreat, the spa area and its private pool are hidden gems. Totally worth it. Specialty restaurants book up fast. I can help you lock in the best times. And alcohol isn't included by default, but with the right drink package, you can save big. I'll help you choose what fits best. So, is a 7-day cruise on the Enchanted Princess really worth it? If you're after comfort, incredible food, great service, and breathtaking destinations, absolutely. This is stress-free luxury that you can feel from start to finish. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and hit subscribe. I post new cruise tips and ship reviews every week. Want to experience this for yourself? Call Lina Garcia, official Princess Cruises travel expert. 1-800-901-1172, extension 41064. You'll get personalized service, insider tips, and access to exclusive deals. Let's plan your perfect cruise. And if this sounds amazing, imagine doing it while sailing past glaciers in Alaska. Check out my full Princess Alaska review right here.